guys, just want to show you this pretty neat box. It's in decent shape. 1961. The lighter fluid is full. Let me pull that out first. I believe this is lead, and you have to, I didn't want to unscrew it, but cut it kind of like you would a tube of caulk. Go nicely up there with my other canisters. There's the lighter. It's got 3 and 2, 61. It was pretty. Got the patent number. Pretty dirty. I ended up cleaning it up. Took the flint out. And the flint canister. A little bit different from back then. Here's what a current one looks like if you want a comparison. The wheel's different. This one, Zippo, Bradford, PA, USA. Zippo Flint by Zippo. Thank you. Oh, get another close-up. You hear it, right? That's just cool.